Ballet, step, temps, leve, in a diagonale, Cecchetti Ballet, grade 2, syllabus course, Jacklyn Dougherty. Corner 3, facing corner 1, fifth en face, right foot front, arms in fifth en basse combination. On counts 1 to 2, introduction, hold the position. Count 3 to 4, point tendu, right foot, face devant, arms in demi-second. On counts 1, steps, temps, leve, in attitude devant, 4 times on alternating sides towards corner 1. Counts 2 to 4, small runs, bourrée to corner 4, repeat to the other side, finish in own pose in the center. Note, repeat derriere as a separate exercise. Derriere placement is at the base of the calf low or back of the knee high. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.